Hello everyone, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Amin bin Muhammad Badari. My ID number is MA18060. In this video, I will share what I had learned in this course, which is BMM4853, air conditioning and refrigeration. So let us start. Firstly, I had learned how to calculate coefficient in refrigerators and heat pumps. Know the component in actual vapor compression refrigeration cycle, and learned how to select the right refrigerant. Secondly, I had learned first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics, which is in first law I already taught total Q equal to total work, and in second law I had learned Q in greater than work net. Furthermore, I had learned how to calculate efficiency and coefficient in heat pump. And before I forget, I already know the condition of compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator in vapor compression refrigeration, and which is in compressor in vapor compression refrigeration. A compressor had pressure with high and temperature also high, and then in condenser pressure is moderate and temperature is low. In expansion valve, pressure is low and temperature is also low, and evaporator pressure is moderate and temperature is moderate. Yes, it can describe by TS diagram and pH diagram actually. Beside, I had learned how to measure dry bulb and wet bulb temperature, because we will use these two measurement to calculate or measure other psychometric, which is relative humidity and humidity ratio. And lastly, I would say thank you to Dr. HAZWAN, which is my lecturer in this course, because had teach us a lot of knowledge, gain our knowledge very nicely. Thank you, and that's all from me.